Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Useful DIY Challenge August 2019, hosted by Mom from MomDas Live Handmade and Nicole from Nicole Northgarden, and they wanted us to make this one a upcycle challenge and I'm so excited about this one. First I wanted to buy something for this on the thrift store, but I remember I have this tray that I made for the spring Useful DIY Challenge. I think it was spring. And I want to upcycle it to use it for fall and Christmas. And I'm gonna paint that and you would see it. Also, we're gonna use this bottoms of some old martini cups. I have it, it's broken. But we're gonna use those, the bottoms, 4 of them. 1 towel and my favorite DIY things, stirring sticks. So let's get started. First, we're gonna grab our tray and we're gonna give it a good coat of orange. I know that's a weird color, but it will work. I can promise you that. After that, we're gonna use our burnt umber and we're gonna distress our tray by giving it an old look. I'm giving it dry brushing and sponging all around. As you can see, I'm dry brushing right now. Now, I'm gonna start sponging some more paint on the edges and I'm gonna continue distressing. Now we're gonna spray paint all of that and we're gonna cut our strips. We need 4 for the longer sides, like so, and those are the strips that are gonna go up in our tray, and we're gonna need 8 of those. We continue cutting. Now I'm cutting the shorter side and we're gonna need 4 of those too also. And after you finish that, you cut all the remaining, the pieces that go up. Yeah, I don't know the word for that, but those are the pieces that go up. Those ones. And you need 8 of those and that's it. For the fun part of assembling our wagon, we're gonna need 4 of these ones longer for the sides, like that, 2 and 2. We're gonna need 8 of these ones and 2 of the steering part for the front part of our wagon. Those are gonna be there. And we're gonna need 4 of these sides. This is a shorter side. We're gonna need our painted dowel and this 2 pieces, and this is the handle. Also, we're gonna need our wheels. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take our tray and we're gonna glue our beautiful wheels. Just like that. Be careful because they tend to fall apart. You have to grab them until they sit. Now we're making our stand for our handle and continue gluing our wheels just like that. We're gonna add the handle to the dowel and we're gonna start building our crate on our tray just like that. I'm just gluing the parts that go up. As I told you, I don't know the word for those, but those are the ones that go up. And now we're gonna start adding our sides just like that. Lots of hot glue. Just like that, front and back first. And now I'm taking the one of the side and gluing it to the side. And I will go back to the other side and repeat. I'm taking all of the glue strings. Continue adding your sides until you finish, just like that, creating the crate on top of your beautiful tray. And now I'm adding the handle and that's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have that sign that I added. I added a couple of pumpkins, yeah, a lot of pumpkins on top to style it. This is how it's looking. And this is how it looks. Let me show you the side so you can see our handle. This is how it looks. I love it. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.